Namaskar, I am Vibha Sudhir Tiwari, your career coach. My topic for today is New Age Careers. In this presentation, we will see New Age careers. Some of these careers you must have possibly heard of before, and some would be astoundingly new for you. The main idea behind this presentation is to give you idea that there is always something where you can find your passion. Let us start with first career option, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that deals with the creation of smart machines and systems that have the ability to think and process information like humans do. For example, voice recognition systems like Siri and Alexa use the power of machine learning to understand human language and respond to it intelligently. For pursuing a career in artificial intelligence, aspirant must possess knowledge of basic computer technology and a degree in mathematics to take up the course. BTech degree in computer science followed by a Master of Science in machine learning, computer science and mathematics is required. Our next option is big data, data analytics and data science. When you go to any retail outlet to buy any product, the first thing that company does is collect your data. What do companies do of this data? This is basically a very critical data for companies to take decisions. Data scientists, big data engineers or data analysts research, calculate and analyze this complex market data to help organizations to make more informed business decisions. They use this data to analyze customer requirements, launch new products, customer satisfaction and also to offer the discounts. A degree in statistics or CSIT is a must to begin a career in data analytics. A degree in computer science or IT will allow you to develop skills in programming languages such as Python, Java, Perl, etc. Along with that, you can take up certifications in business analytics and intelligence, data analytics, and data science. Next option is ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Ethical hacking is a new age of bit career that is both exciting and challenging. Ethical hackers, as opposed to the unethical ones, combat unethical access to private accounts. They work with various organizations and help to improve their security measures by finding out bugs in their company's network security. Even the government in the top security jobs needs ethical hackers who will prevent their systems from getting hacked by enemies. Ethical hackers must have great logical knowledge and problem solving attitude. For pursuing a career in ethical hacking, a background in computers is recommended. You can take up certification courses in Certified Ethical Hacker, Computer Hacking, Forensic Investigator, and Certified Security Analyst. Our next option is robotics. You may have watched Rajnikant's movie Robot or heard about the humanoid robot Sophia who can answer your questions. These are a few examples of robotics. Robots are very much a part of our present world. Robots are used to perform surgeries, automate industrial tasks, explore space, defuse bombs, and perform tasks that are dangerous for humans. So, if you are fascinated by robots and want to know how they work, you want to learn the mechanism behind robots, then you can explore your career in robotics engineering. Someone who is interested in this field can take up BTech in mechanical, electronics or robotics engineering, followed by master's or MTech program in robotics. Our next option is Internet of Things, popularly known as IoT. It is about extending the power of internet beyond computers and smartphones to a whole range of other things and processes. On a daily basis, we use GPS to navigate, smartwatches to track our daily activities, turn off AC from sitting in the office. All these are examples of IoT. It means taking all the things in the world and connecting them to the internet. With the rapid rising demand for smart connected devices, IoT market is expected to grow in the upcoming years. If you want to make a career in IoT, you can do degree in computer science, or if you are interested in the hardware side, you can do electronics and communication engineering. After that, you can pursue a diploma in IoT or some certification which will help you get a strong grip on this career path. Our next option is blockchain. Blockchain technologists create and implement digital solutions for organizations by utilizing blockchain technology. This technology can be shared and distributed over internet publicly without being copied. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency are the most popular examples of blockchain uses. Apart from cryptocurrency, usage of blockchain in data storage, financial transactions, real estate, asset management, and many more are being explored. To become a blockchain developer, an individual should have a good knowledge of information technology, information security, and computer science. Therefore, degree in information technology or computer science with additional knowledge in data structures including stack, queues, linked list, etc. Apart from that, you can go for the certification course in blockchain also. Next career option is animation and multimedia. Multimedia artists and animators create images that appear to move and produce visual effects for various forms of media and entertainment. You can explore career options in Bollywood, big media houses, as well as animation houses across the country. Since both YouTube and digital media is popular than the mainstream media, there are ample career opportunities in this field. For pursuing career in animation and multimedia, a candidate can go for Bachelor in Animation, Bachelor in Multimedia, Bachelor in Graphics Design, or Diploma in 2D and 3D animation. The next option is bioengineering and biomedical engineering. Bioengineering, one of the youngest engineering disciplines, employs the principles and tools of engineering to solve problems in biology, medicine, healthcare, and related fields. This field of engineering has applications in computer simulation for surgery, tissue engineering, medical imaging such as MRI and CAT scan, engineering microorganisms, artificial organs, biomaterials, and even wearable technology such as fitness tracking bands. These are all examples of bioengineering in the real world. For pursuing a career in bioengineering and biomedical engineering, a BTech and MTech degree in biomedical engineering is required to get into this field. Here, one important point a candidate has to consider that apart from PCM, biology is also required in 10+2 to be eligible for pursuing this course. Our next option is nanotechnology. Nanotechnologists are the people that deal with very small particles. Nanotechnology is the science of miniature and technology of future. A strong inclination towards physics, chemistry, and math is required for this profession, along with an aptitude for research and analysis. For pursuing a career in nanotechnology, after completing 12th, aspiring candidate need to get admission in BSc or BTech in nanotechnology, and then they can pursue MTech or MSc in nanotechnology. Next option is food and agriculture science. The field of food and agriculture is not about plowing fields or farming, but is a technological advanced field with cutting edge research and constant innovations. Agricultural biotechnology, horticulture, dairy technology, agronomy, food technology, pisciculture are few of the avenues you can look towards to build your career in this fast growing domain. The goal of food and agriculture scientists is to improve both the quality and quantity of crops, dairy products, agricultural products, and food patterns. To build a career in this field, a bachelor's and master's degree in agriculture, horticulture, agronomy, or any of the subfields of agriculture is required. You can also consider a BTech and MTech in agricultural engineering. Our next option is aerospace. Aerospace is a broad branch of technology that is concerned with the design, manufacturing, and operations of aerospace vehicles, aircrafts, missiles, and space satellites. Aeronautics engineering, that is dealing with aeroplanes, astronautics engineering, that is dealing with space vehicles. The Indian aerospace industry is now one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Indian Space Research Organization, Defense Research and Development Organization, popularly known as DRDO, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and other private companies are promising a prosperous future of aerospace. Next option is cloud computing. Cloud computing is an IT-based model that allows access to a shared collection of configurable system resources and higher level services that can be readily supplied over the internet with fewer management efforts. Minimum educational qualification required for this career is BTech in Computer Science and additional certification courses such as Oracle Cloud Certificate, Google Certified Professional Cloud Architect, IBM Certified Cloud Solution Architect, Microsoft Certified Solution Expert, Red Hat Certified Architect Cloud, and many more certification courses are there. The internet is becoming a town square for the global village of tomorrow. There are 3.4 billion active users on the internet. Due to presence of internet in almost everyone's life, many new career opportunities are coming into existence which we have never thought of before. They don't require any formal education or a specialized degree, but they are a skill-based career. Let us see some of them. First is UI or UX designer. User interface and user experience is all about designing the interface and experience of a user on a website or a mobile application. User interface entails the appearance of an application when a user is interacting with it. User experience is the process of improving the overall experience of the user. There is high demand of UI UX engineer who makes the website's app look appealing and at the same time providing with a unique experience. A strong sense of designing and understanding of user behavior is helpful to be in this career. Next career option is content writer. Content writers are the professionals who write engaging contents for websites, blogs, social medias, etc. and typically specialize in writing and organizing content. Successful content writers have an excellent work-life balance. They can work from home and make their own schedule. Content writers are in great demand, especially in business and marketing field. Next is blogger. Blogger means those who publish blogs or articles online. Blogging is a medium of self-expression where the bloggers express their opinions, beliefs, and understanding. Some write for organizations also, where they detail about the business and its offerings. Those who have a flair for writing can start blogging on the subject of their interest and expertise. It is one of the latest and most popular jobs on the corner that is growing. YouTubers believe in doing it yourself and create YouTube channels and video blogs to build subscribers over time. They are content creators who create and amplify content on the internet for mass consumption. They publish unique content that connects with the audience and may range from documentaries, music videos, web series, music covers, cooking, fashion, and many more. There are a lot of people who make money out of the producing videos for YouTube. Digital marketing is a fast evolving field with amazing opportunities to build a career. Digital marketers promotes the organization's products and brands using online channels such as web, email, etc. A digital marketer develops strategies for marketing through social media, Google, AdWords, etc. They optimize the reach of product in a cost-effective way. Many business owners are willing to build a digital marketing team for their service promotions. With more and more companies shifting their focus to digital marketing strategies, there is a lot of scope in this industry. Next option is app developer. The mobile revolution and the smartphone surge in India have opened a new career avenue in the employment market as app developer. Considering the surge, mobile revolution is huge and the wave of app development with innovative and creative ideas is on the rise. It takes a lot of brainstorming to come up with creative ideas that can make these apps successful. This is another new age career option that one can choose and make people's life easy. These are some of the new age careers. In my next video, I'll discuss about some non-technology careers in this machine age. If you have any difficulty in choosing your course or career, you may please contact Smile Career Consultant. Smile is a platform to help students choose the right career path. It helps in all the major milestones in one's career. Our counseling process is very easy. We use technology-led tools for career assessment, and based on the generated reports, our career coaches help you to systematically explore various career options available for you and guide you with a career plan to manage your career. If you have any questions or any queries, you may please contact me to the given phone number, that is 9229430179. You can email to smile.career.counselor@gmail.com. You can also go through the website smile.mindler.com. For more career related videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, Smile My Career Counselor. Thank you very much.